Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Cepi Supriyadi with name 22060067, Class B2 Non-Regular Primary School Teacher Education at IKIP Siliwangi. English for academic purpose co-taught by Mr. Acep Haryudin MPD. Here, I will explain the independent curriculum teaching module. Are you ready to watch the video? Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Language Teaching Module English by Siska Indriani S. Hum. English Teaching Module Short Functional Text Online Review. A. General Information. General Information. This section consists of 1. School Identity. School identity. This section consists of school name, subject, pace and class, domain and topic, CP dimension, time allocation, school year, and other name. 2. Initial competence prerequisite. This section consists of students have initial knowledge about short text type and are able to read information in English well and correctly. Participants have sufficient understanding about contracting sentence in present tense and past tense properly and correctly. 3. Pancasila Student Profile P3. This section consists of have file be default to good dignity and have noble character, critical reasoning, and independent. This learning activity begins and with praying to good amenity with the aim that students can participate in learning activities in a healthy, smooth conditioning and gain useful knowledge and become a reflection of person who has noble moral. In this activity, students are invited to analyze exciting online review and identify language feature from the text. This develops student ability to think critical about implicit and explicit message in the text. Students can find information in online review example independently. Work together. Students are able to collaborate or work together in creating an online review text using various media. Creative. Students are able to produce ideas, work, flexibility of thinking in creating in online review using various applications. 4. Facilities and infrastructure. This section consists of learning and media and tools materials. Media and tools and material. This section consists of laptop, LCD projector, smartboard, smartphone, speaker, whiteboard, presentation slides. 5. Target student. Student with English language skill at level A2, B1. 6. Learning models and methods. project-based learning or PJBL by optimizing TPEC. Part B. Content of the module. Content of the module. This section consists of material to be studied. Yes, material to be studied. This section consists of short function text, online review, language feature for writing online review, learning objectives. Learning objectives. This section consists of student can find information related to short and function text, online review, talk, read activities correctly. Student can create a short function text. Online review, talk, group, discuss activity using online application is a clear and interesting way. Student can present short functional text. Online review that have been made talk, spoke a language well. Student can evaluate short functional text. Online review and provide feedback through good presentation activities. Understanding Magnifold. After studying informal online review text, student can create similar text and present them well to other students. Igniter question. What make people want to eat in certain cafe or restaurant? What role do you think visual, such as photos of this day, play in restaurant, cafe, and review? If you were to write a review for your favorite restaurant or cafe, what aspect would you highlight to help others understand why you love it? Part C. Learning activities. Learning activities. This section consists of stage, teacher activities, student activities, allocation time, introduction, prepare orientation. Prepare orientation. Open the class with greeting or prayer. Checking student attendance. Provide question related to initial competence via WordWell. For time, 10 minutes. A perception. Provide trigger question. What makes people want to eat certain cafe or restaurant? What role do you think visual such a photo display in restaurant cafe review? Play audio containing someone talking about a restaurant they have visited. Ask question related to the audio heard. Why doesn't Jeff like atmosphere in an expensive restaurant? For time, 5 minutes. Core. Phase 1. Determine basic question. For time, 5 minutes. Phase 2. Design product planning and prepare manufacturing schedule. 10 minutes. Phase 3. Monitoring liveness and development project. 10 minutes. Phase 4. Testing result. For time, 10 minutes. Phase 5. Evaluation learning experience. 5 minutes. And closing. Evaluation and follow-up plan. Teacher activities. Refresh by asking several questions. Ask someone to lead the closing prayer of the lesson. Say hello to end the lesson. Allocation time, 5 minutes. Part D. Assessment. Attitude assessment. Attitude assessment in obtaining from the result of observation during learning activities. Attitude assessment in the form of active, cooperative, and creative. Time done. Daring learning. Preparation. Prepare attitude assessment rubric form. Implementation. During learning. Follow up. If there is problem, invite student discuss. Instrument for assessing study activity providing feedback. Instrument. Formative assessment. Assessment of work result presentation. Part E. Environment and remedial. Environment. Students with grades of performance above the class average will receive encouraging activities in the form the individual assessment. Remedial. Students with grades of performance below the class average will make improve and report assessment. Students will carry out guiding learning. Name by asking for help for students with grades above class average. Part If. Teacher reflection. Have the learning objective be achieved? Do students collaborate well in discussed activities? Are there change in student attitude and skill during the learning activity process? G. Student reflection. What material is the first understand? What activities are discussed to complete? He. Appendix. LKPD. Teacher and student reading material. For example, assessment. For example, student worksheet LKPD 1. Student worksheet LKPD 2. Student worksheet LKPD 3, 4. For example, level of active participant of student in learning. For example, teacher reflection journal. For example, student reflection journal. For example, action implementation observation sheet.